Good morning, grade 2. How are you? Today is a new start for a new week, so I want you to study harder and do your best. We're going to continue the same chapter. Now we're going to take lesson 4, page 759. We talked a lot about two-dimensional shapes. We said that they have length and width, like rectangle, triangle, trapezoid. Today we're going to talk about three-dimensional shapes. So you have this picture in your box. This is a rectangle, inside of it triangle. As you see, we have a lot of shapes. But now look to this shape. It has length, width, and a third dimension. So this is what we call three-dimensional shapes. What are three-dimensional shapes? They are, let's read a little about them. A three-dimensional shape is a shape with length, width, and height. So they have three dimensions, as you see here. Width, length, and height. Okay, width, length, and height. So they have three dimensions. You can hold them. They are like some kinds of there are a lot of materials in your house that look like those shapes. We have six basic shapes. The first one is the sphere or the ball. Like what? What does the sphere remind you of? Remember? Yes, like the Earth. The Earth is a sphere. Okay, so the sphere or a ball like this is the first shape. The second shape is a cube. We have a lot of cubes in our houses like what? I don't know, maybe some kind of boxes that we put accessories in. A pyramid shape, okay? A cone shape, like the celebration hat, okay, like the party hat. Cylinder, like the cup, but it is more straight than the cup. The last one is rectangular prism, like the shoebox. Okay, those are three-dimensional shapes. So again, sphere, cube, pyramid, cone, cylinder, and rectangular prism. So, if you have some objects in your house that look like those shapes, I want you to make a video for yourself showing them to me and tell me what is this shape. For example, you have a box, it is a rectangular prism. You have a pole, it is a sphere. That's what you will do. So, a video of you showing me items in your houses that have the shapes of those three-dimensional shapes. Write the name of the shape, circle the objects that are the same shape. Now this shape is a rectangular prism. Which one of those are or is rectangular prism? The tissue pocket? Yes. And this cereal? Yes. So both of them are rectangular prism. Okay, now the cone. Which one looks like the cone? The party hat or the ice cream cone? Yes, both of them. So again, rectangular prism like the tissue pocket or the cereal pocket, the cone like the ice cream cone, and the hat. This kind of hat, okay? Let's see the next page. Okay, the same thing, write the name of the shape, circle the objects that are the same shape. This is a sphere. Where is the sphere here? This one which looks like the ball. This is a rectangular prism like this box. Is this a rectangular prism? No, this is a what? A cube. Excellent. This is a cube. This is a pyramid, okay? Pyramid. Which one of those looks like a pyramid? Yes, this one. Excellent. Number 6 is a cube. Which one of them looks like a cube? The three of them, the present box, the numbers box, and this cardboard box. Now the last one is a cone. Which one looks like a cone? This and this. Excellent. Grade 2. Today's lesson is very easy as you see. No new information. It's all about this. Let's read number 10. Jen is wrapping a present that is in a box. Okay, in a what? Let us try to circle a box because it is important to know that it is in a box. The box is what? What is the shape of the box? Square in all sides. So as you see here, square, square, square. What is the shape of the box? We know that it is a box and all the sides has squares, so it is an equal shape. It is a cube. Excellent. It is a cube. Let's see this question. I am a three-dimensional shape. I have a circle at the bottom. Let's try to draw it. The bottom is a circle. Now imagine that this is a circle. I have a point at the top. So it has a pointed top like this. What is this shape? What is this shape that has a circle and a point on the top? I will underline this because it is important. What is this shape again? It is a cone. Yes, it is a cone. You can always use drawing to find the shapes. If you stack two cubes together, what three-dimensional shapes will you make? Now, you have two squares, this and this. Now, you put them beside each other. So now you have like two squares, they are beside each other. What is this shape? It is a rectangular prism. Imagine that they are pasted to each other. They will look like the rectangular prism. Okay. How can you tell if a shape is three-dimensional? We said that we can hold it. It has three important things. They are not flat. They have a model shape. They have length, width, and height. That would make them three-dimensional shapes. Okay. Now, my homework in this page, which is page 763, and 764 is your homework, okay? So do them and send them to me. That's it for today's math lesson. It is very easy. It doesn't need a lot of effort. So I want to see your homework very fast. If you want to do the video, just look for items in your house that look like those shapes, which are the three-dimensional shapes: sphere, cube, pyramid, cone, cylinder, or rectangular prism. Look for items that are have the same shape of them and make a video for yourself talking about them. See you grade 2.